Welcome to InstaFollowers YouTube channel. Today we will show you our new tool, YouTube Subscriber Counter. InstaFollowers YouTube Subscriber Counter is a powerful tool that allows you to view your channel live, the YouTube sub count with instant subscriber count live and for free. This live subscriber count to YouTube allows you to track the changes in your live sub count YouTube channels in real time and monitor your channel's growth more closely. On top of that, it's extremely easy to use and it's a reliable resource that you won't need the technical knowledge. And thanks to this tool, you can get instant updates, graphical statistics, easy integration, and reliability. For using this service, first thing you need to do is go to InstaFollowers website. There are lots of tools in the site that will be useful to you, but today we are going to focus on the YouTube subscriber counter. The next step is scroll down the page and find the free tools box under other service. Hover over this box and you will see that there are many free tools for similar platforms like Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, etc. Click on the YouTube tools from the drop-down list and here you can see the free tools you can use for YouTube. Select YouTube subscriber counter from the list and you will be directed to the required page. Our last steps is to access the instant subscriber count from this page. You can see your real and live counts of subscriber data by searching for your channel's name from the search button, or you can paste the link of your channels directly. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.